Hello and welcome to 5 School of Motoring. This is a very short video on Tolley Roundabout. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to take 4th exit coming from Lillycrot and going towards Toller Lane. This is one of the roundabouts which can come up on Heaton test routes. I've marked up all the exits in this picture, as you can see. Later on in this video you will be seeing exactly how to take the 4th exit on this roundabout. Okay, we are waiting at this crossroad now. Let's give way. This is, we're gonna be turning right, and as you turn right, within few meters the roundabout comes up. So we pulled out of the roundabout now. So further up on this road you will be checking center mirror and then right mirror, and you will signal right, and you will position on the right hand side close to the white line. So giving way to the people coming from the right. It is very important to position on the right because it's only one lane now, and further up when you will enter the roundabout it will split into 2 lanes. So if your position is too much on the left, you'll be heading towards 3rd exit. So it's gonna stay nice and close to the curb on the right hand side. Now split into 2 lanes. So now if signal cancels, it's not a problem because on your left it's 3rd exit. And now here you're gonna check center mirror, left mirror, and signal left and take the exit. I've slowed down the video. You can see there is a yellow junction box, so keep it clear if there is traffic ahead. It was pretty simple and easy, so now you guys can go with your instructor and practice this exit. I'm gonna be making some more videos on different exits on this roundabout and Bingley roundabout. Thank you very much for watching this video.